Today, we're diving into the Lenovo ThinkSystem X710-DA2 PCIe 10Gb 2-port SFP plus Ethernet adapter, a networking powerhouse that promises to revolutionize your data center. Let's talk about performance first. With excellent NVGRE hardware offloads, this adapter preserves application performance for overlay networks, distributing network traffic across CPU cores and offloading tasks like LSO, GSO, and checksum from the host software, reducing CPU overhead. But that's just the beginning. Thanks to Intel's Data Plane Development Kit, DPDK, you can fine-tune small packet performance for mobile and cloud applications, achieving line rate speeds even at 128 bytes. Plus, with Intel Ethernet Flow Director and Data Direct I/O, latency is drastically reduced, resulting in a threefold improvement in RPS. Virtualization enthusiasts, rejoice! The X710 family boasts Intel virtualization technology, delivering outstanding I/O performance in virtualized server environments. And with support for up to 256 VMDQ VMs, enhanced QoS features, and PCIe SRIOV implementation, near-native performance is within reach. But it doesn't stop there. VM load balancing ensures traffic is evenly distributed across bound VMs, providing fault tolerance in case of hardware failures. In conclusion, the Lenovo ThinkSystem X710-DA2 PCIe 10Gb 2-port SFP plus Ethernet adapter is a game-changer in the world of networking, offering unparalleled performance, efficiency, and scalability for your data center needs. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.